Put him in my bucket. Finger licking good. Delicious. Loving it. Where one? So good morning again, guys. What's up? What a guan? How is everything? How you doing? Yeah, hope everything is all right with you guys and your family and your loved ones. Yeah, we are. I'm back at it again this morning, man. So I'd like to say shout out and respect to all my subscribers, all my viewers, you know, those of you that are watching the videos, you know, respect every time, man. One love, you know, that's how we do it. And you know, I'm out here at it again. Don't give me something in my teeth. I just eat an orange. Let me take it out. So yeah, sorry about that. So yes, guys, so enough said. This morning, you know, I'm gonna be going on a hunt this morning. I'm gonna be going on a hunt for horseshoe crabs. That's how we do it. So follow me on my journey this morning, guys. I'm gonna go on the hunt, see if I can catch even one of these guys, cook him up and see what he tastes like. So yes, guys, so I have my bucket and I'm heading to my secret location where I saw some of those horseshoe crabs, and I'm gonna see if I can get me one of them. So guys, see you when I reach the location. So guys, I reached the location and I already got myself one of these horseshoe crabs. Yep. And seem like a female. I'm gonna put him in my bucket and see if I catch any more of these guys and get him home to cook. Look at him right there. Yep. So I'm just gonna put him in my bucket right here. Yep. Right here, guys. That's my horseshoe crab right there. Yep. Yep. Let's see if I see any more over here. I haven't seen any more yet. Yes, guys, so this is the horseshoe crab right here. Yep. Horseshoe crab. So guys, here comes another one right here. Here it comes. Right there. them right here, guys. Let's see if I can lift him up. I think I'm gonna be grateful with the two that I caught. That's it. Guys, horseshoe crab. Yep. I think I'm just gonna do one, man. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm gonna just keep this big one right here. I'm gonna keep this big one right here. Because this is a bigger female. So the females are the bigger ones and the males are the smaller ones. It's like I caught like two females, so I'm just gonna keep one and then I'm gonna let go of the next one, man. I'm not trying to be greedy. Come on, guys, let's go. Here we go. There you go. I'll just do that. So I let that one go. Look at him go. Yeah. And I'm gonna keep this one. Yeah. So guys, that is my first time ever catching a horseshoe crab. And never tried it before. Know that they're headable. This is the season for them right now, because it's mating season. And after the mating season is over, you don't see them no more, because these guys go back into the ocean to their mighty depths from whence they came from. So they only come ashore to mate and to lay their eggs. After that, that's it. So during this time, researchers will catch them and like literally drain their blood, because I heard that their blood is very expensive and their blood is very good, and it is used for some medicinal purposes. But apart from that, these guys has been around from the dinosaur period, man. These guys are like 440 million years old species, man. Survived that period, man. So I'm gonna try him out. I'm gonna take him home and I'm gonna put him on the freezer to put him to sleep, and then I'm gonna grill him up. I'm gonna season him, let him soak in some jerk seasoning, and then I'm gonna put him on the grill and try this guy out and see what he tastes like. Cause I say I never had it before, and I'm gonna see what he tastes like. So guys, go home right now and get him sorted out. So guys, stay tuned. All right, here he is right here again, a horseshoe crab. Yep. So see you when I catch you home, guys. All right. So yes, guys, so I'm back home and I took out the horseshoe crab out of the container that I had, and put him in a foil container right here. And as you can see, there's a lot of sand on him, so I'm gonna wash him off properly, and then I'm gonna put him in the freezer to put him to sleep. And then later I'm gonna put this guy on the grill. Comment about it, guys, if any of you had it before, and what can you compare it like. Where I'm from in Jamaica, we have mud crabs, aka shit cutter. We have the black crab. We also have the pimento crab. So yep, I'm just gonna clean him up right now, wash him up, and put him in the freezer, put him to sleep. So guys, I'm gonna put him back in the foil and put him on the refrigerator, put him to sleep. Alright, so next time I see you guys, I'll be getting him prepared to put on the grill. Alright.